Alright, so we're given the problem 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 1. So here what we're doing is solving inequalities, and when it comes down to it, a lot of it is just algebraic manipulations to get a variable by itself. So I'll go through this slightly fast, but hopefully you'll be able to understand this, okay? So step 1, here we go, solving the problem. 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 1. So like I said before, all we want to do here is just solve for x, okay? So that will tell us what value of x is, or what value is less than or equal to x in this case. Alright, so here what we will do first is multiply both sides by x plus 4, okay? So I multiply this side by x plus 4, and I multiply the right hand side by x plus 4. X plus 4. Let me write that a little bit better. Alright, so x plus 4. So now we can cross these two out, all right? So now what we have is when we multiply 1 by x, distribute this here and distribute it here, what do we have? So we have 3x plus 1 is greater than or equal to x plus 4. And again here we're just still trying to solve for x, all right? So now what we do, now we can combine like terms, alright? So now we can subtract the x from this side, subtract x from this side. Now what do we get? 3 minus x, or in this case, 3 minus 1x, because actually there's a 1 in front of that. I'll draw that 1 there. So what do we get? We have 2x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 4. Alright, so you're following me here. Now what do we do now? Now we can actually subtract 1 from this side. Subtract 1, subtract 1. Now what do we have? We have 2x. Let's scroll down a little bit more. We have 2x is greater than or equal to 3. Alright, so now in order to get x by itself, we can just simply divide by 2. Divide by 2. And that leads us to our final answer of x is greater than 3/2. So if we were to plot this on a little line plot, we have, this is x, alright? So here is our 3/2. Let's say 3/2. So that tells us that x is going to be greater than or equal to. So I don't know if you guys learned about the closed dots and the open dots, but when it has the greater than or equal to, it'll be a bracket like that, bracket, and you'll have everything greater than that. All right. So that's how it's drawn on a little linear inequality diagram, okay? So you'll have everything greater than 3/2, all right? So hopefully that made a little bit of sense. I'm also going to attach a document so you can actually just see it without, commentary. But again, this is how you solve a lot of these inequality problems. You just simply try to get a variable by itself, okay? It could get a little bit more complicated when you have more than one variable, or if you have some crazy quotient in there or something crazy like that. It could get difficult. But again, this is why we're here, to help you guys out. So if you need any more help with this, be sure to come back. So again, this is how we solved it. Here you go. And this is how we did it.